y'all. It's Sunday after we went to Beacon last Friday. Time to start getting ready for Radial Fest. So what I gotta do is, first and foremost, put on the radials. From there, I'm gonna go ahead and take the hood off, change the fluids, check the belt, check all the bolts, do a safety check, check the suspension. While I'm here, I might as well adjust the suspension. I've been looking over the tune, get that right, go ahead and load it so I don't feel like I'm rushed Friday morning. And then start getting packed up. My shop is a terrible mess, but you know, whatever. And then, of course, we got to do all the other things like figure out the golf cart. I figured that part out. Today, I'll show a picture of that, of how I'm going to load it on the back of the truck. I am out of trailer space. I would love another trailer, but that is not realistic. So we're going to load the golf cart on the back of the truck. And then, to make life a whole lot easier at Radial Fest, we're going to be bringing our camper as well. So we've got some friends staying with us. It's going to be a great time. Got to get that going. Got my fuel, got my mess. Got to remember my tents. I made a huge list of everything that's needed. So a little bit of a crunch time, but not too bad. I figure I might as well go ahead and do a little bit at a time every night, and then I'll have this loaded Wednesday. And then whenever Thursday comes around, Thursday, probably about 5-ish, whenever I get home, we will go ahead and be ready to hit the road. And we will get there Thursday night, wake up Friday well-rested, and enter King of the Street. And that's going to be a great class. Thing I like about it is it's a bunch of street cars. You have to have headlights, turn signals, a horn, tail lights, obviously. It's got to be all glass. You have to have a DOT drag radial. Previously, you had to have an exhaust all the way back. They don't have that rule anymore. I like that rule because it made it a little bit more challenging, but it's a more streetable car. They do a cruise every year, so that kind of weeds out a lot of the race cars. And it's a blast. You get to drive through the countryside and have a good time. So we are going to get started on this thing tonight. Gonna go. All right, we're out here. It's D-Day. Got here last night. Got the cars ready. Billy had a little bit of trouble. He ain't made it yet. He had some blowouts. We got the good DVR folks here. So just waiting on the time that they open her on up and let us go make some hits. The cruise right now, and then we're gonna go into Q3. Hopefully I can load a 600 tune-up in this thing and go a couple rounds today. think that's not gonna ever rub again.
Never ever.
Or at least stick a Band-Aid on that. So it's not getting shit in it.
Here. All right, we're back. No leaks, no clunking. It's got oil pressure, trans moves on its own. She's back in one piece. We had a great time. I really got a program going on here. That was my 30th pass in the finals this year since March. So we have been working, and I've got a system of how I do everything. The car showed up when I really needed it to. I appreciate Andrew for helping me at the line and giving me a few index advice this weekend. But it was a great time had by all. I love going to Radial Fest. I love the King of the Street class. And I really wanted to win it this year, and I said I was going out to win it, and I did. And you saw in that one video, I marked off the win King of the Street on my to-do list. So now I got a couple other to-do lists to do, and we're gonna do a safety check on everything once again. Give the car a week off or a little bit of time off, and I know Paducah's got some stuff going on at the end of the month, and a couple other places. So well, we'll see what we want to do. I want to do the no prep stuff, but I also want to do the street car stuff as well. So other than that, I left some pictures at the end of this video. It was a great time at the track. I feel like some of those really captured the good time that we did have. I didn't take very many, but what I did take, I figured I'd share. So until next time, go out there, make some hits, and have some fun.